Let me ask you something. When you upload photos to Google Drive or watch movies on Netflix or store files in iCloud, where are those files actually stored? They are not inside your phone. They are not inside your laptop either, but they are stored somewhere called the cloud, right? But what exactly is the cloud? Is it really floating somewhere in the sky? Today I learned something, learn about how cloud computing actually works. Today's day 22 of what I learned today, and today I learned something very important in modern technology, that is cloud computing. We hear this word everywhere today: cloud storage, cloud servers, cloud platforms. But many people don't actually understand what cloud really is. The truth is really simple. The cloud is some just someone else powerful computer connected to the internet. So normally when you store a file on your computer, it stores on your device. For example, if you save a photo on your laptop, it is stored on your laptop's hard drive. But cloud computing works differently. Instead of storing files on your own device, you store them on large remote servers located in data centers. These servers are connected to the internet, so you can access your data from anywhere and anytime. Now that this is what called the cloud computing. So what are the data centers actually? So cloud centers run inside huge buildings called data centers. Inside these buildings are thousands of powerful computers. So these computers are all called servers. Companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft own massive data centers around the world. Okay, so when you upload something to the cloud, your data is stored inside one of these servers. So cloud computing changed how technology works actually. But before cloud system existed, companies had to buy their own expensive servers. Like they need to maintain them. They needed IT teams to manage them. But with cloud computing, businesses can rent computing power instead of buying it. This makes things very much easier. Companies only pay for the resources they use. Okay, so it's more easier. So let's take some everyday examples. So many apps we use rely on cloud computing. For example, Google Drive, uh, and Netflix, Instagram, online gaming. Like without cloud computing, many modern apps would not even exist actually. So there are actually three main cloud services. Okay, one is infrastructure as a service (IaaS). Companies rent these servers and storage. Example, the Amazon AWS, and platform as a service. It's PaaS. Developers get tools to build applications without managing the servers. Like that's example for the example is the Google App Engine, and SaaS, a software as a service, is SaaS. Users access software directly through the internet. Example: Gmail, Microsoft, Dropbox. So is cloud computing really safe? Many people worry about security, but cloud companies invest billions in society security systems. The data centers are usually more secure than the personal computers actually. They use encryption, backups, firewalls, advanced monitoring. However, users must still protect their accounts with the strong passwords actually. So what I realized actually, cloud computing is one of the technologies that proves the modern internet. Almost every digital service we use today depends on it. Without cloud infrastructure, many apps would be slower, many expensive, and harder to scale. So the cloud is not magic actually. It's simply powerful computers connected through the internet. But the simple idea changed how the entire digital world works. This is what I learned today. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.